Welcome. Today, we'll learn how to lock text in place in Microsoft Word. This feature helps maintain your document's layout, keeping everything exactly where you want it. First, select the text you want to lock. Highlight it by clicking and dragging over it to ensure it's ready for locking. Next, navigate to the Layout tab. Here, you'll find options to format your selected text. Look for the option labeled Position. Within Position, select Lock Anchor. This will secure your text in place, preventing accidental shifts during editing. Now, your text is locked in its position. You can still edit the text, but it won't move as other changes are made. That's it. You've successfully locked your text. Enjoy a more organized and professional document with just a few clicks. For best results, utilize locking with other formatting tools. This way, your text and layout will always stay intact. Remember, the lock text feature is particularly useful when collaborating with others. Ensure your work remains unchanged. Explore more features in Microsoft Word to enhance your document management. It's a powerful tool for all your writing needs. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Microsoft Word. Drop your questions below and let us know what other features you'd like to see covered. Happy typing! Until next time, keep your documents tidy and professional. See you in the next tutorial.